Okay, I think this is my last video for this building at least. So there's the little picture I was wondering about. Post box. This picture, this picture. I realize this is backwards. This whole panel here. Oops. Everything is glued into place. I'm sure there's strings galore. This suitcase, it said to put it the other direction, but I thought it would be better with the handle facing that way. And let me turn the light on. Here, give me a second here, see if I can do it one-handed. Come on. Which direction? That direction. Looks pretty good. The only thing I still have to do is on this side. So let me see if these just stay now. Okay, cool. I need to take this stuff, and they say put it down along the edge here. I guess to cover up your wire, and then a little more to do whatever. Maybe I'll put some around the back too, not that anybody will see it. So that's it, we're done. I've gotten to the point, I've joined a bunch of Facebook groups for this sort of thing. And now I'm starting to get targeted ads, of course, for all of these. So I'm sure I will buy more in the future. If anyone has a recommendation, the one I'm thinking about is called Nancy's Bakery, I think. I'm just gonna try and wait a little bit since they're not cheap. Yeah, so there we have it, all done. Thanks for watching.